What's going on, everybody? So, I just got weird news. And I checked the channel called Tony Tornado. And I saw his video got so crazy. His old video called Crazy Boyfriend. Yeah, his channel used to call Crazy Boyfriend. Yeah, he's real crazy. That was about 2 years ago. Yeah, y'all should watch it. He got, and his voice sound like a crazy monkey. Yeah, that's his face. Like so weird. Alright, do y'all see that? Tony Tornado. I don't know what kind of living heck is. Right. Right, I think y'all should see it. That's his channel. His videos. Oh my god. His video got so bad. Yeah, he yelled at his little sister, yelling at his girlfriend. Yeah, he just such a bully. Y'all should not. I think y'all should not subscribe him because he yelled at his little sister named Mantha. So y'all don't want to watch him. Yeah, he acts so crazy. He yells like my stepfather. That's how he sound like. Yeah, y'all don't want to watch him. Yeah, or watch his old video because he got so real crazy. Yeah. Yeah, they swear a lot, like McJuggernuggets. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know why he acts so crazy. I think y'all can't watch this video because it's really stupid. Yeah. Yeah, just watch some good video like Team Creed or Boogie 2988. Yeah. An Angry Grandpa show, but Angry Grandpa passed away now. That's really sad. So, yeah. So, if you love my channel, if you love my channel and videos, give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks for watching, everybody. Bye.